Top 8 Online Passive Income Ideas. Welcome back to the channel WISGRAM, where you can get practical wisdom for money, investing, success, and more. In today's video, I'll be sharing the top 8 online passive income ideas you can apply in 2022. But before we begin, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so that you wouldn't miss any of our new videos that will be uploaded every week. Now, let's get started. What is passive income? Passive income is not your main job nor your side hustle. Instead, it refers to an active income that comes with minimal time and effort to maintain, even while you're sleeping. These sources include selling products online, creating online courses, starting a blog, and more. While these tactics improve your personal finances, they can also reduce stress and anxiety, making you feel more confident about your financial future. So, what are the top 8 online passive income ideas? Number 1. Create online courses. These days, the topics you can cover in your online course are almost limitless. Basically, you may create online courses and make money from them if you have a skill or specialized expertise. For example, if you're a fitness trainer, you can create a series of fitness videos. If you're a chef, you can start making an online cookery course. Whatever profession or interest you have, teaching online makes a profitable passive income stream. Creating online courses is relatively similar to selling digital products. The advantage is that there is no need to hold any inventory or stock. It just needs an investment of time, effort, and expertise to create the course. But once done, the revenue every time someone purchases will be a continuous flow. Moreover, as an online educator, you have the freedom to choose the class size and length. You can do one-on-one or group tutoring and offer either live training sessions or downloadable courses. It depends on your preference as the instructor. Number 2. Partake in affiliate marketing. An affiliate program is a marketing strategy in which a company pays third-party publications for generating leads and traffic to its products and services through social media marketing or email outreach campaigns. To put it in simple terms, it involves recommending a product or service to an audience. Then, whenever someone purchases the recommended product or service, a commission is given to affiliates. Statista, a German company specializing in market and consumer data, assumes that by 2022, the affiliate marketing industry will reach $8.2 billion. So you probably wonder why most online entrepreneurs become affiliate marketers. There are 3 major reasons. It's easy to execute, low risk, and scalable. There are a few strategies to create passive money from your affiliate marketing connections. You may mention sponsors on your YouTube channel or podcast or compile product reviews. But of course, you need to conduct some research to find the right company you want to become an affiliate for. You should always consider the audience's needs. In that way, you'll drive people into the brand you are promoting. Number 3. Write a blog. Starting your own blog is another way of making passive revenue. You can earn from blogging by selling affiliate products, creating sponsored posts, selling your own products, or running ads through Google AdSense. It may require a great deal of work at first, such as registering a domain name and setting up hosting, but it'll be worth it in the long run. When starting a blog, the best part is that you don't need any specialized skills in design or coding. You just have to ensure that the blog's content is engaging to read. Furthermore, later at some point, you can proceed to monetize your blog. From then, it will become a true source of passive revenue. However, if you're not confident enough to start your own blog, you can buy an existing blog and make money through it since the traffic and cash flow are already established. Number 4. Sell ebooks online. While blogging is an excellent passive income idea, writing a book online is a better passive revenue source. Why? Because unlike blogging, where you have to write a blog regularly. In an ebook, you only need to write it once. Publishing your own ebook can be a great way to share your creativity, knowledge, and expertise. Every time someone purchases a copy, you'll receive royalties. What are these royalties? Royalties are the percentage of book sales. If an author earns 7.5% on every paperback sold and 25% on every ebook sold, the 7.5% and 25% are the royalties. Writing an ebook can be a smart way to take advantage of low-cost publication and even use Amazon's global distribution to bring your book in front of millions of potential buyers. You just need to be an expert on a certain topic that very few authors but many readers need. Number 5. Start YouTube videos. Do you have a passion for photography, arts, or travel? Then you might want to turn your passion into a YouTube channel to make money. 74% of adults in the US use YouTube, and that's a lot of audiences to consider. The amount you can earn through YouTube varies depending on the number of subscribers, engagement rates, average viewers, and more. It's a lot of effort for little to no payoff at first. But if you're patient enough to wait for the long run, the income potential of a successful YouTube channel may bring in a lot of income. While it takes time to build an adequate audience for monetization, you can make revenue through affiliate sales, sponsorships, branded integrations, and add income as you accumulate content, clicks, and views. Number 6. Sell craft items online. Over 4.6 billion people are connected to the internet. Therefore, the opportunity to build and scale an online business is possible. 2 things to consider in engaging this type of idea are the investment in materials and time to make and sell craft items, and an online store to house the products. There are a lot of online selling sites. Some popular ones include Handshake, Amazon, eBay, Ruby Lane, and AliExpress. You can also make your own online store to reduce the number of fees you pay on each sale while you create a brand for yourself. By this, you'll build an audience and connect with more customers. Thus, it'll help in making money over time. Number 7. Showcase skills through freelancing websites. Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are 3 of the most popular freelancing websites. Upwork lists freelancers in every credible job in different big industries. It focuses on marketing and software development. Freelancers apply for a job when a company posts a project, allowing companies to identify the best fit for the work. Freelancer is one of the most user-friendly freelancing markets online, which is why firms like Amazon, IBM, and Google use it. It's also one of the largest freelance sites with a global pool of 50 million users with the expertise of over 1,800 different skills. Also, Fiverr has been operating since 2010, and it claims to be used by over 3 million firms, including Netflix and Facebook. It's free to join the site and list gigs on Fiverr, and everyone can take advantage of secure payments and round-the-clock support. So, whatever skills you have, showcase those through these websites and earn a passive income in no time. Number 8. Invest in cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrencies is a great way to earn 5% to 10% revenue. It's highly similar to collecting interest on your money, but with a larger rate of return. The process goes like this. First, you need to familiarize yourself with proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies and obtain a crypto wallet. Then, educate yourself with the coins available to make a wise decision about where to invest. The more you educate yourself about the world of crypto, the better investment decisions you'll make. Right after that, you just have to wait and check your investments regularly. Remember, just like any investment, cryptocurrencies come with a set of risks, so you need to learn extensively and invest wisely. So, out of the 8 online passive income ideas, what can you consider starting in 2022? Once you've found the perfect passive income opportunity that fits with your lifestyle, skills, and passions, it's important to make a habit of maintaining it. If you know other passive income ideas online, feel free to share them in the comment section below. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you again soon in another one of our episodes. Once again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family so that they can enjoy it as well. With that said, have a wonderful day everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.